All right, here you go. Hey now, Mike, how you doing? Buying cars, ain't nothing to it. Tony parks them out back. I get a $200 flat. Walking in a wonderland. Where's Carolyn? What's been happening? Oh, you look fine. That's what's happening. I got real good news. We got good reviews. Walking in a winter wonderland. This is for one of us peons. Hey, DVD. Good to see ya. Got that Tinder. She's gonna meet ya. You wanna swipe left, but you swipe right. Hope you're gonna get lucky tonight. And this is my final one because I've been here for not a long time, but I was back in the day. Mr. D,
God bless you.
we do miss you. You were a car man. We ain't gonna miss you. Dress shoes and no socks, flicking ashes in trucks, walking in a winter wonderland. God bless you, Mr. D. Love y'all. Merry Christmas, okay?
Thank you, Ronnie.
We're supposed to be selling cars.